two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. Here is a quick guide on how to enable it. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username to open user settings. Step 3. Navigate to security. In the user settings menu, find and select the privacy and safety tab on the left side, then scroll down to the security section. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for Enable two-factor authentication. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Set up authentication method. Follow the instructions to set up your preferred authentication method, either through an authentication app or SMS. Make sure to save the backup codes provided for future access. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Discord account. This will help keep your account secure from unauthorized access.